Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to set up a Mailchimp. First of all, make sure to go ahead and open the Mailchimp.com website. Right after that, click on sign up right here and create your own accounts. Now, there is several kind of templates or basically plans that we can call them plans. So here I'm going to go with the free one. Of course, you can choose whatever template or plan fits you the best. Here we have 4 of them. Depending on how many contacts you'll be adding and the features that will suit your plan, you can choose one of these. Let's start with the free one in our tutorial. And here we go. Now here what you need to do is to simply click here and put your email. I'm going to choose this one. Here, a username. Let's call it, for example, this one. And here, a password. Let's use this one. I don't want to receive emails about Mailchimp and related and suite product and feature updates. And then click on sign up. Once you have done that, you simply have to wait a couple of seconds and then they will send you an email to your inbox. So let me just have it ready and opened. As you can see, here it is. Now, in case you had signed up with Gmail, choose Gmail. In case you had your Outlook, then open Outlook. Very simple. Here it is, Mailchimp, and then activate accounts. Once you have done that, you can simply just click here and they will open this page for you. Wait until it fully loads and then the Mailchimp dashboard will be open for you. Now, before your account is fully set up, you need to go through these simple quick informations like the first name. Let me just put random informations. Here we go. Here, next. Here, I'm going to add the address line. I'm going to use this one. Then let's go to next page. I'm going to do skip, and finally skip, and so much more. Now, make sure to answer these questions depending on your project and basically your goals and your situation, so you could have the best dashboard, because now depending on my answers, they will create the dashboard that suits my answers the best. In my case, I skipped everything, so they will give me the default one, the general one, that will give me everything that I need. Here, start the free trial, and I will need to actually pay the 14 days free trial. So this is how you can start your Mailchimp account. And once you have paid it, you will get it. So thank you guys all for watching, and see you guys in the next video.